Hello guys, welcome to the tech section of CHALO SIKHTE HAI. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use your earphones as a microphone for your PC. So let's get started. As you can see that I have a simple earphone present over here. The first thing that you must know is that this is the microphone or the mic of our phone. I think all of you know this thing. It's very natural. Now the next thing that you must know is that the speakers or audio output of our earphone actually acts as the microphone for your PC. Yes, this is. Now see the next information part. These are the audio output jacks of our CPU. There are three. The first one is the blue colored one and is used for audio input. The next jack is the green colored one that usually is used or it is for the speakers and the audio output part. The third most important jack is the pink colored one, which is used for the microphone or the mic which we are going to use. So let's see how we are going to connect them. Here I am ready with my earphones jack. I will now insert them in the pink jack of my CPU very carefully. You must double check on them and ensure that a stable connection is established between them. Now come to your PC and you have to change some settings and establish your microphone. For that, go to your computer, go to Open Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sounds, go to Sounds, and once this window appears, you can close the previous window. And over here, go to Recordings, and as you can see, my microphone has been shown over here. You have to right click on it, go to Properties. Once this window appears, you will go to Listen. This is one where you can listen your own voice in your headphones or speakers. If you don't want to listen on them, just uncheck this box, but I prefer checking this box. Next is the levels. You can increase or decrease the volume of your microphone as per your wish, but the microphone boost I would recommend you 10 decibels because it is the optimum audible point. Now come to enhancement, and over here don't click on disable all sound effects because this earphone is not good for your voice at all, but these three effects would improve your voice a bit, not much but a bit it can increase. Advanced setting is not much, so click on OK, and this part is done. And the last part for this is right click on it, open configure speech recognition, click on start speech recognition. Once this is open, click next, select others and click next. And once this appears, you can see this next box is not highlighted, so it is not stabilized still yet. So if we speak that speaker dictates this to his computer, he particularly prefers it to paper and pen. And as you can see that my voice has been established, so I will click on next. As you can see, it's finally established as a microphone for your PC. Click on next and you can cancel this. And thank you guys for watching our video. If you find this method useful, do give a thumbs up, and till then, bye.